How to redeem Disney gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Disney gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Disney gift cards function similarly no matter if you purchase them online or at a store like Target or Costco. First, you can swipe your Disney gift cards just like a credit card at any restaurant or retail location in Walt Disney World. When it's time to pay for a snack, meal, or a souvenir, present a Disney gift card and you will be prompted to tap it, swipe it, or hand it to the cast member. Look for your remaining balance gift card at the bottom of the printed receipt. If you are a guest at a hotel in Disney Resorts collection, you can use your Magic Band, My Magic Mobile, or Key to the World card to change purchases to your resort. On the evening before checkout, visit the front desk and pay down your room charges with Disney gift cards. This may be a preferred method as it allows individuals to carry less to the theme parks and not worry about misplacing a gift card. You can also type the gift card numbers in the notes of your app on your mobile device. Then, before finalizing a food, beverage, or merchandise purchase, copy and paste the gift card numbers into the payment screen. So, this is how you can redeem Disney gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and make sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.